Hey and welcome. So this is the Xiaomi liquid soap dispenser. Normally I wouldn't talk about stuff like that on my channel, but again, this is from Xiaomi and I buy pretty much a lot of stuff from them since I usually ending up liking it. And this is no exception because I actually bought one like a couple of months ago that I didn't want to review because again, it was just a soap dispenser, but my wife actually asked me to buy another one because she liked it so much. So again, I revised my opinion because it kind of makes sense, especially if you are like me, have small children. You will know that getting them to wash their hands regularly when they are in the bathroom can sometimes be tricky. But with a soap dispenser, this can be more easy because this allows you to use your own liquid soap, and it will give like a foamy consistency, which the children like, and it also makes sure that they get enough soap so they actually do get their hands washed properly. Again, it's a soap dispenser, so let's just quickly show you how you get this set up, and you can see for yourself if this is something you want to buy. If you do want to buy it, I'll leave a link to AliExpress in the description field. So this is what you need to get started. Start out by opening the bottom here, inserting these 4 AA batteries, and then closing out the bottom again. Like that. And we can see by pressing this button you can turn on and off whether or not it detects. We can hear the motor running. Okay, with that out of the way, we then need to fill the container with the liquid soap. I've chosen this one, but you can pretty much choose whatever flavor you like. It just it can't be too thick, but you can mix it out with the amount of water. I'm gonna aim towards like doing like a third of soap, and the rest should be water. Now we need to apply water. Okay, I've now added water. You can see I haven't filled it completely to the top. That's because I want to leave a little bit of space so I can mix it now. So what we need to do now is take this part, insert that over the top here, and then we should hopefully hear like a little click or something like that. Yeah. So next step is to shake a little bit here, just to get the soap mixed up with the water. Now we can remove this. And just before I mount this, we should pretty much be done here, but so you can't, this is not meant to be reused really from Xiaomi side. So their idea is that you buy a new one of these every time that you run out of soap. But that's even though this is just a plastic container, it's actually quite expensive. It's just below $10 on AliExpress if you want to buy this separately, which you can, which doesn't really make sense because it's just a cheap piece of plastic. So they are really so you have 3 options. One, you can pay the $10 and just go with that and get a new one each time. You can drill a hole into this section and then just refill it from there, or you can gently pry this open with a screwdriver, which is what I'm doing. But it is something that you should be gentle about because again, it's not meant originally to be removed, but you can do it if you just do it gently. You can pop it off and then reinsert it like I just showed you. So again, just be aware of that part. So next step is really to get this mounted on here and then just tighten that up, and we should be pretty much good to go. So let's turn it on. Job done. This is just a soap dispenser, but for a soap dispenser it's pretty cool, and it actually does the job quite well. The foamy consistency part I really like, and I can see that it helps my children wash their hands more regularly, which is like a big plus. The plastic bottom here, even though it is plastic, has like a glass look to it, so it doesn't look cheap when you have it sitting in your bathroom or kitchen if you want that. You can buy it for just around $20 on AliExpress, including shipping, and I'll leave a link in the description field. Hope you find this useful. Drop by another time. See you there. Bye.